Hello friends, Sachin here. So today I am going to discuss about Selenium 4 new feature. So today I'll discuss about some basic feature of the Selenium 4. In my previous video, I have discussed about two main feature. One was relative locator, and other one how to open a new window and new tab using by the Cilium 4 feature. That was a very important feature of the Cilium 4. So if you haven't watched my those videos, please go through to my YouTube channel and please watch it. That will really help you. Okay, so let me move on for the today topic. So in Cilium 3, we do have a structure like Chrome driver, which is extended remote web driver. If you talk about the Cilium 4, Cilium 4 in Chrome driver extended from Chromium driver and Chromium driver from remote web driver. That is the structure of the Cilium 4. So we can see the differences here. Now let me move on. So today I'll discuss about these topics. One, get screenshot as. So this is the one you can say like method or like keyword. So using by this we can capture the screenshot for any particular element without capturing the whole page. Just we can capture for that error, for that logo, for that particular text box. We can capture that screenshot. And we do have one method like get react get rect. It will capture for like dimension for a particular element, like it can capture the height, width, x coordinate and y coordinate. And last not least, I'll cover today the minimize. There's a one method like minimize. We can minimize our window, the current browser. So let me show you all the example one by one into the Eclipse. Let me move on to the Eclipse. So this is the Eclipse. Let me come here. Cilium 4. Let me delete this. Let me create one fresh here. Let me create one class. I'll say Selenium 4 features. Selenium 4 features. So what I'll do, I'll use the WebDriver manager. So if you haven't watched my video, so please go through and please watch my video. So I'm not I'm not going to like set WebDriver path. I'll use here Bonnie Gracia. So it should be the part of before class. Otherwise, it will throw the error because this line we have to write inside the main. So I'm using here, since I'm using here test.ng. So I'm going to write inside the before class. So void, let me the public void. I'll say setup. Let me say here, and let me create web driver, a driver, and let me import Monicashia. Okay, so I'm using 83. So let me just mention the 83. No need to set like environment variable, nothing here. So if you haven't watched like web drive manager, how we can launch the Chrome driver. This is a very useful. This is a one library Bonnie Gracia. And if you want to use, then you have to this is a syntax WebDriver manager dot chrome driver dot setup WebDriver manager dot chrome driver dot version. And here we have to pass like version are you going to use, and which is the window. So I'm in 64 and we have to setup. So now driver equal to new Chrome driver. So now setup is ready. Now I'll create test and test. I'll say public void Selenium for features. I'll create this method. And now first I'll talk about to capture the screenshot. So I'll say sorry driver dot get And here I am going to launch a website for Indian Railway. We can take anything. This is not like so simply randomly I'm picking this website. Okay, this is the URL. Now, now I talk about to capture the screenshot for particular element. So if you want to capture any element, so I'm going to capture this logo. Okay, so first we have to capture like uh, like element like XPath selector anything. Okay, so anything is unique here. Unique. Okay, I can see here. And this is a tag alt and followed by image. My system is very slow. Okay, so let me say this. So this is a unique element. Okay, so I'll say driver dot manage dot driver dot manage dot time out dot implicit weight. Let me set some weight as well. Time units. Let me say driver dot find element dot by dot css selector. So let me capture this element here. This is a logo Indian Railway. Sorry, this is the element. I am doing element. Let's say logo IRCTC CTC. Okay, this is a web element. Okay, so now we do have this element. So we do have method like we can say get screenshot as and type. We have to pass output type dot file. Okay, this would be my source. This is the screenshot. This is my source, LC source. So after capturing, now we have to keep somewhere in local system. So here I am using file utils. This is a Apache dependency file utils dot copy file source and destination. Source would be this, and where is the destination? So destination I am going to keep here this folder screenshot. This one folder screenshot. So what I'll say new file, and here current directory, and now I can give the folder name screenshot dot logo irctc dot png, simply we can say here. And you have to throw or you have to write inside try your catch block. So now my code is ready. Let me execute. Let's see what will happen. Now browser is going to open. So here browser is open. Now it is going to capture the screenshot of this logo. Let's see what happened. I'm not closing. I'm not closing this browser, so it's open. So let's see what happened here. So this is the folder. Let me refresh it. We can see here it captured the screenshot here. This is the beauty of this method. Okay, this is a very lightweight, so you can capture like any error, you can capture like any element, you can capture like any pop-up. Uh, so we can capture anything. So let me move to the next. So next, I'll say this is a one. There is a one thing like rectangle, so we can capture like height, width, everything. So let's go here, inspect this. So what I'm going to here, I'm going to capture this element height and width. Okay, so anything is unique. Yeah, we can see this placeholder. Let me take this. So there's a unique element. Let me go to the Eclipse. So driver dot find element and y dot CSS selector. This is the CSS selector. This is, I'll go here. This I'll say from text field, text box, I'll say text box. Okay, now this get, we can see get rectangle zone method, and we, I'll say rect, my system is hanging. Okay, yeah, fine, now it's fine. So what I'll say here says out, and this get height, get width, get x, get y. So this way we can capture like dimension of any element. What's the problem? Yeah, this is the problem. Now I think one extra parenthesis. Now it's fine. Okay, let me execute what happened. So it is going to open this web page, and first it will capture this logo. Then it will measure it will capture the height with height with x coordinate and y coordinate. Let's see. Let me execute. So the browser is opening. So first let it load. First it will capture the logo, and then it will capture like height with x coordinate by coordinate of from text field, this one. So let me say here this one, this from. So let's see what happened. Is captured or not? Yes, it's captured. We can see here the height 37 and with the 330 128, this is the x coordinate, and 240 is the y coordinate. Okay. Okay, so let me move the third topic. So third one I talk about, we can, minimize the window, since we don't have that capability in Cilium 3. Cilium 4 provided a very good capability from where we can capture it. So what I have to do, driver dot driver dot manage dot window. Then yeah, one more thing, like we do have one full screen method. This is in Slim 3 as well. So it will do, so if, let me move this website. So if you go here and if you click here, this is a full, you can see it. You are not able to see like URL of this web page. So to come back, we have to click on F11. So this is the same thing we can do from full screen. And how to minimize after this? Driver dot manage dot window dot minimize. We can see here minimize. Earlier we do have only maximize. So minimize as well. So we don't have any browser open. So let me execute. Let's see what will happen here. So browser is opening. IRCTC website open. First, it will capture the logo and it will capture the height with x coordinate by coordinate of this from text box, and then it will make the full screen of this current window, current browser. We'll see here is about to full screen. Here we can see here now it is minimizing. Everything is fast, nothing is fill here. We can see here. Since I am not using any assertion, just this is just give some knowledge, hands-on knowledge on this Selenium 4 feature, so you can utilize in your current project. So you can see here it max first it make the full screen of this browser and it minimize. Let me close. So I'll push this code to the Git repo. So after refactoring. Okay, guys, if you have anything, please let me know. Please write into the comment section if you have any doubt, and please subscribe my channel. Please like it if you're liking my videos. And in the next coming days, I'm going to create one more new video. It that would be on the Selenium 4 feature for the Chrome diff tool. That is a very fantastic feature of the Selenium 4. So from dip tool, we can handle all, we can simulate all the Chrome browser network. We can handle like network speed. We can there are couple of features, so that I'm going to cover in next videos. So please subscribe my channel. Please share it. Thank you so much.